Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 BMW K1600GT Premium. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 BMW K1600GT Premium with 28,872 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, an electronic suspension, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, electronic luggage, and it's been upgraded with an Akrapovic slip-on muffler, Corbin seat, aftermarket fog lights, and a kickstand foot. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 1649cc 6-cylinder engine, the K1600 puts 161 horsepower and 129 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel capacity, the K1600 has a 220 to 260 mile range. It has a 31.9-inch seat height and a 703-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the left saddlebag, a tear in the paint protection film on the right saddlebag, and a paint chip on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.